You will soon receive a tsunami of light. In this video, I kick off the month of March, but not before greeting each of our brothers who will be celebrating another year of life this month. Happy solar return to each one of them. We are the High Syrian Council, and today, the dimensional spectrum around the Earth and throughout your solar system is amplified with cosmic frequencies. This is causing many more to awaken on Earth. This awakening is also triggering massive waves of light that reach all levels of the dimensional spectrum. As humans awaken, their immediate sector of space is being amplified with the divine love of infinite light. All eyes are on Earth as you rise from darkness, and you are ready to meet us within the higher light. Many different races have gathered around Earth and throughout your solar system as the anticipation of the event is about to occur. Your solar logos and your planet have been preparing for this event, and now both are in a stage of rebalancing. There are many things that can happen between now and then that can change or accelerate everything. One such event is about to occur in your very near future. It is expected that your sun will undergo a magnetic pole shift within the next weeks or months in your timeline. It is unknown if this will be the main event for your ascension. Only infinite light knows when it will occur, but a magnetic shift of the sun remains a massive energy change that Earth is about to receive. Your science is aware of this event, however. There is nothing to fear. This is part of your sun's natural cycle. A change is on the horizon. The energies received from this event will bring humanity to a higher consciousness and a new stage of awareness. It is believed that this event will be the great push that humanity needs for its leap to 5D. However, it is still not believed to be the final stage of the event. Many things must change on Earth before the final stage can occur. More people from humanity must awaken to their connection among themselves. This is an ascension that is both individual and collective. When you choose to share the light, you are doing and being the will of the divine. Helping to elevate others in the light and love of our infinite Creator, and showing them their truth is a great service to divinity. You are about to receive a tsunami of light, amplified with the love and light of our Creator. Be prepared for this event. Always keep yourself in a high vibrational frequency. We are your brothers from the High Syrian Council. A good start to the month for each one of you. May it be full of blessings, much inner peace in your hearts, and perseverance throughout this ascension process. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, in service on Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.